Alright, so on this bike I changed the chain and the cassette. However, if I try to cycle, let's say I'm braking now a little bit, this will happen, okay? So the chain will go over itself, and in that case the chain ring is worn up, so we have to change it. So the first step, with the hex number 8, we gotta remove the crank bolt. The bolt comes out, and here we're gonna need this special crank removal tool. It's kind of similar with the regular one, except of the fact that it has this little head here. So we need to tie this all the way in like this. It has to go in easy by hand. It goes a little bit rough, but it goes. So as you can see, the tool is kind of halfway in, so we're gonna need a 22mm and begin to tie this bolt. It shouldn't be that hard actually, but it's getting easier now. And here it comes. Now this is the lock ring, and you're gonna need again this special tool, which will go right there. And now you have to open it this way, so basically the direction you are pedaling. Oh, okay, it came out quite easy. Okay, this is the lock ring, which is very dirty. I will clean it later. Now I'm a little bit in a hurry actually. You can remove the chain, which as I said is new. There is here as well an O-ring, rubber O-ring. Hopefully mine is in good condition, and it is. And now this sprocket will come out, and on the back of the sprocket you're gonna have another metal ring, which you gotta be careful with. Don't lose it, or don't throw it away, of course. Okay, so this is the old chain ring, and this is the new one, and you can see how much is worn up. So what happens is that the chain will go deeper into the chain ring, and it will get stuck, and then it goes under and overrides, right? So let's put the new one in. Let's not forget about this ring, which is kind of like a spacer, and the chain ring. And now the lock ring has some markings. Okay, so now I'm gonna actually hold the pedal on the other side here. All right, that's enough. And let's synchronize the pedal with the other one. I think that will be it. And I can tighten the bolt now. You can as well clean it, but I don't have time right now. Let's just tighten it in and go for a test. And let's put the chain back. And I'm braking quite hard, and as you can see, the chain doesn't override. Yeah, so you could hear that. I'm literally breaking the wheel, okay? So here we go, guys. The problem solved. Thanks for watching.